The moment I skipped my breakup like a Netflix ad, I knew I'd screwed up reality. Jasper never liked slow moments. Silence made his skin itch. Homework? Fast forward. Dad's lectures? Mute. First kiss? Rewind. Perfect it. Rewind. Perfect it again. That was life now. With Remy, a glitchy prototype remote that somehow controlled everything. He found it taped to a return to sender box in his tech club's lost and found. Weird logo, no brand, just one glowing red button that whispered control in every language he didn't speak. At first, it was paradise. Pause time, sleep in, skip boring class, ace the test, rewind arguments, fix what he said. But the city began to change. His favorite pizza place was suddenly a laundromat. His best friend's laugh? Gone, replaced by silence, like the memory had been fast-forwarded away. And when he tried to rewind to a hug his mom gave him last week, she blinked and said, "What hug?" Turns out, every press left a scar. Tiny fractures. Skipped seconds turned to missing moments. People were still moving, but they weren't living. Even Remy, the remote, started glitching, buttons rearranging, languages switching, scenes from his life bleeding into each other like a corrupted file. One night, his paused world didn't unpause, and he was the only one left moving. Jasper had all the control and zero connection, so now he's walking backwards through his own memories, trying to undo a life he edited too perfectly, searching for the one moment he won't rewind. Because sometimes, the best parts of life are the ones you don't fast forward through.